Hello and welcome to Rupes Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to place the shopping cart icon or how to change the appearance of this shopping cart icon if you are using Ocean WP theme, which is a free WordPress theme available in WordPress repository. So I already have the shop theme and the shop icon added to the menu, but let me show you how you can edit this for yourself. Okay, first of all, open your dashboard and in appearance, click on customize. On the customize page, you will find a menu by the name of WooCommerce. If you already have set up your website with WooCommerce and this shop theme, my website is completely set up, so I have this option for WooCommerce. Click on WooCommerce and then click on menu cart. Okay, here are a couple of options which you can handle for your menu cart icon. First of all, you will see these things: hide if cart is empty. So if you check this, then this cart will not be visible. You need to refresh your page if you want to see the changes. It will not be displayed with here. But when we publish and refresh our home page, then it will be disappeared if the cart is empty. Right now it's empty. Okay. The second option, display mini cart on mobile, which means that this cart button will be minified for mobile version. Okay. Now the visibility option means that you want to display it on all devices, or you want to hide for all devices or disable only for desktops. If you choose this option, then the menu cart option will still be visible on mobile devices or tablet devices, but we will keep it on for all devices. Now these are the colors. You can choose colors for bag, hover color. Right now it's red, but if you move mouse out of this icon, then it will be black, which is this color. You can change colors from here, or you can add custom CSS to change these colors for any of your page sections, similar to all other CSS selectors. Okay, click on publish and the color will be changed. Right now I used a custom CSS option, so I have this red type of color. Let me first remove that. Okay, I removed the CSS, but this still look red because some other settings are overlapping. If you refresh the page, then for some time you will be able to see that brown color which I chose. So here it doesn't matter what it looks like, but when you publish the changes, you will be able to see it on front end. Okay. Similarly, if you do not want to style your bags, this shopping cart bag, then click on no, and all these settings for styling will be hidden. Now the next thing is icon and cart count, which is this icon and this count. So how many products are in total in your cart right now? This will show you that number. So first of all, let me change it to the icon only, and the number will be disappeared. Now the number is not there, but if you want to show it icon and the cart total or the cart count, total means that it will show you the number in the total amount, how many products a user buy, and how much is the total of that those products. So that total will be shown here. But if you choose cart icon and cart count, then how many products are added to cart will be shown here. You can show both cart count and total at the same time. So let me choose cart icon and cart total, cart count. Okay, now it's showing the cart icon and the total. Now the next thing is style. For example, if you hover on this icon, right now it's showing how many products in your cart or the cart is empty. Let me add a product into the cart and let's see what is the effect of this thing. Click on any product and click on add to cart. Now when the product is added to cart, then you can see that there is one product in the cart, but when you hover over this icon, then you can see the contents of the shopping cart. You can go directly from here to the cart or checkout, or you can directly click on PayPal if you chose this option on in your payment options. Okay, now the next thing is go to cart, which means then that when you click on this icon, it will not show this drop down, while it will be redirected to your shopping page or shop page. Come to your front end, you can see that it's dropped down, but when we refresh, then the link will be activated and there will be no drop down anymore. Now you can see that there is no link, there is no drop down, but if you click on this icon, it will go directly to your shopping cart page. Okay, now it's on the cart page when you clicked on this icon. There is another option which is custom link. For example, if you want to go to the cart, to the checkout page instead of going to the cart or any other page, then for example, I want to go to shop page, which is not normal, but let me show you that it's possible. For example, let me copy the men's category link and paste it here, which is redirected to men's category in shop. If we click on publish and then go to front end and refresh the page, okay, it's still the cart. Let me see what we did wrong here. Okay, in the style, change it to custom link and then paste the link here. Okay, click on publish and come to front end, refresh the page. Now here you can see that it's a custom link, and when you click on this, it will go to men's clothing directly from clicking on this shopping cart icon. Okay, after this, if you come to the customize again, then you can see that you can also change the cart icon. Currently we have this bag icon. You can change it to the cart, the traditional cart, or you can change it to the basket or this bag or this cart. This is also the default cart. So this is how you can change the icon for the shopping cart. Custom icon, you can add a custom class, for example from FontAwesome or from any icon which they are using right now. You can add just the class of that icon and this icon will be applied to this section. Okay, you can decrease or increase the cart icon. You can see that it's doing it in real time. So this much size will be better for my website. Okay, center vertically. You can change the placement of the cart vertically. I want to place it here. Now after that, for the cart drop down style, if we choose the cart drop down again, the cart style, which will be cart drop down, change custom link to drop down, click on publish, and then we will have some option for drop down again. Let's refresh this customize. Now after changing it back to drop down, then you can see that there are some changes need to be done. For example, this text style, let's come to the drop down section. There are two different styles, one compact and second one is spacious. So let's change it to spacious and refresh it. Let's see how it looks like. Now the cart drop down width, it's 350px. now you can increase it or you can decrease it to save your screen. Let us make it 400, and this is the best size for my website. Okay, the drop down background color, you can change the drop down background color. Currently it's white. the border colors, which are this silver type color, and the link color, which is this brownish orange, and the link hover color, which is, there are no links in this. Quantity color, price color is green here, and here is also. So the total price, there are all these types of changes you can change to, you can make them to the cart drop down style. Now on mobile you can also change these colors. So this was all for today's video. You can customize shopping cart icon by watching this complete video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel, and you will be notified when we post a new video. Thank you.